In 2025, email marketing isn't dead. It's more profitable than TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube ads combined. And you don't need a huge list to make money. The average return is a staggering $42 for every single dollar you spend.
Email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent, making it a great tool for small business owners to connect with their audience and convert their subscribers to customers. So how do you get started with email marketing?
Stick with me, because in this beginner's guide, I'm going to reveal 3 game-changing tips. And tip number 3 is a secret strategy that literally doubled my conversions overnight. By the end of this video, you will have a complete step-by-step framework to go from 0 subscribers to a profitable email list. You've probably been there. You spend hours writing the perfect email only to see it go straight to the spam folder. Your open rates are depressingly low, and every time you try to sell something, you feel salesy and just watch people unsubscribe. I remember my first email list. I was so excited. I sent out one generic buy my stuff email and lost half of my subscribers in less than an hour. It was brutal. I felt like a failure and almost quit right there, but I stuck with it. I learned the system, and now I want to show you how to avoid all my mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a profitable email list in 2025, even if you're starting from absolute 0. So why is email marketing still king in an age of social media giants? The answer is simple: ownership and control. First, it's completely algorithm proof. You own your email list. Mark Zuckerberg can't wake up one morning and decide to hide your posts from your audience. It's a direct line of communication that you control. Second, the return on investment is unmatched. As I said, $42 for every $1 spent. No other marketing channel even comes close to that level of profitability. Third, it works in every single niche you can imagine, from dog training to digital art to financial consulting. And in 2025, email is evolving. We're seeing a massive shift towards AI-powered personalization, interactive emails that feel more like a conversation, and sophisticated automation that works for you 24/7. While social media reach continues to decline, direct email deliverability remains incredibly powerful and reliable. So let's get into the framework. Step 1 is building your email list from 0. The heart of this process is your lead magnet. In 2025, a boring PDF checklist isn't going to cut it. Your lead magnet needs to be a high-value, quick-win solution for a specific problem your audience faces. Think bigger. Offer a free 5-day email course, a custom-built calculator that solves a problem for them, a valuable template, or a mini video workshop. Once you have your irresistible offer, you need to promote it. Put the link everywhere. It goes in your social media bios. You should mention it in your YouTube videos, and you can collaborate with other creators in your space for a shout out. A powerful strategy is running micro ads on platforms like Facebook or Instagram, targeting a hyper-specific audience for just a few dollars a day to fuel your initial growth. To capture these emails, you need a simple landing page. Don't get overwhelmed by this. Tools like ConvertKit, Beehive, or MailerLite have dead simple drag and drop builders. You don't need to be a web designer. You just need a compelling headline that highlights the benefit and a clear button to sign up. Now, before we talk about automation, let's cover the #1 mistake that kills open rates. That brings us to step 2, crafting emails that actually get open. Your subject line is the single most important part of your email. It's the gatekeeper to your message. Forget clickbait like "you won't believe this." In 2025, the best subject lines are driven by curiosity, personalization, and specificity. Try using simple, one-word subject lines like "just question" or "wow." They stand out in a crowded inbox. Another powerful formula is the specific benefit line, like "how I got 10,000 steps before 7 a.m." It promises a clear outcome. You can even leverage AI tools like ChatGPT not to write your emails for you, but to brainstorm 20 different subject line ideas in 30 seconds. Then you pick the one that sounds the most human and intriguing. As for send times, latest industry studies point towards mid-morning from Tuesday through Thursday as a general sweet spot. However, the best answer is to check your own analytics. Most email marketing platforms will show you exactly when your specific subscribers are most active. Here's a real example. A subject line I used that got a 68% open rate was simply "your plan for next week." It's short, it feels personal, and it creates an open loop. They have to click to find out what the plan is. Step 3 is where you turn your email list into a hands-off passive system. Automating for consistent results. This is where the magic of email marketing truly shines. You need to set up an automated welcome series. This isn't just one email, it's a strategic sequence of 3 to 5 emails that are automatically sent to every new subscriber over the course of about a week. The secret here is to sell without selling. By using the 80-20th rule, your sequence should be 80% pure value and only 20% pitch. The first email should immediately deliver your lead magnet and give a warm welcome. The next 2 emails should provide even more free tips. Build trust by telling your story and establish your authority. Only in the 4th or 5th email, after you've built a solid foundation of trust, should you introduce a relevant paid offer. All the major email providers like MailerLite or ConvertKit have visual automation builders. You literally drag and drop emails to build out this entire sequence. You set it up once and it works for you around the clock, nurturing new leads while you sleep, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Okay, step 4 is crucial for long-term success. Avoiding the spam folder in 2025. You could have the best emails in the world, but they're worthless if they land in spam. Common mistakes are simple to avoid. Never use spammy trigger words in subject lines like free, guarantee, or lots of dollar signs. Don't use all caps or excessive exclamation points. Huge red flags for email clients. Next, set up 3 records with your domain provider: SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Think of these as your email's passport, proving to Gmail, Outlook, and others that you are legitimate, which boosts deliverability. A quick Google search for your email provider's name plus SPF setup gives you a step-by-step guide in about 15 minutes. Finally, practice good list hygiene. If someone hasn't opened your last 10-15 emails, send a re-engagement campaign asking if they still want to hear from you. If no response, remove them. A smaller, engaged list is far more valuable than a large, dead one. Step 5. Scaling and making real money. You have a growing, engaged list. Now turn it into $1,000 plus a month. There are 3 main paths. First, affiliate marketing. Recommend products and services you use and love, earning a commission on each sale via your link. Second, create digital products. An ebook, course, template bundle, or paid workshop. Build once, sell forever with automation doing the work. Third, if you offer coaching, consulting, or freelance work, your list is your best client source. You're not cold pitching strangers, you're offering solutions to a warm audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And now, the tip I promised, the hidden viral twist. The fastest way to grow your email list is borrowing other people's audiences. This 10-minute strategy brought me 500 plus targeted subscribers in a week. It's called a lead magnet swap. First, find another creator in a similar but non-competing niche with a list similar to yours. Second, send a friendly proposal. You promote their lead magnet to your audience in an upcoming email, and they do the same for you. It's a win-win. Their audience finds your content, yours finds theirs, and both lists grow with warm, qualified leads for free. A good outreach email takes under 10 minutes to write, and the results can be explosive. Let me tell you about TubeMagic. It's an AI-powered toolbox that helps you grow a faceless YouTube channel faster. It gives you viral video ideas, titles, full scripts, optimized tags, and even SEO-friendly descriptions, all in minutes. It takes the guesswork out of growing on YouTube. I've been using it to streamline my video creation, and honestly, it's been a game changer. If you're serious about growing a faceless channel or just want to make YouTube easier, click the link in the description to check out TubeMagic. It's one of my favorite tools for creating content fast and ranking faster. So let's do a rapid-fire recap of the entire framework. Step 1. Create a high-value lead magnet and promote it everywhere. Step 2. Write curiosity-driven, personalized subject lines to get your emails open. Step 3. Set up an automated 80-20th value-first welcome sequence. Step 4. Authenticate your domain with SPF and DKIM to avoid the spam folder. And step 5, monetize that trust with affiliate offers, digital products, or your own services. Imagine waking up not to a stressful alarm clock, but to notifications of new sales in your inbox, all generated on autopilot by a system you built. That is the true power of effective email marketing. If you want more in-depth marketing strategies like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And to seriously kickstart your journey today, I've put together a free email marketing starter kit just for you. It includes my top subject line templates and a complete checklist for everything we discussed. The link is right at the top of the description. Go grab it now and start building your profitable email list today.